Hello again. Today, let's see the most important questions asked in any interview. Data types in Python. We have mutable and immutable data types. Mutable means the data type which can be changed, and under this mutable, we have list, set, and dictionary. Under immutable, we have numeric data type like int, float, double, and all. Under immutable, we also have tuple and string. So uh, a string, if assigned, like if a is assigned to a data type, you cannot change. Coming to what is list, tuple, the differences they'll ask majorly, and set and dictionary in Python. So coming to list and tuple both are heterogeneous data collection of data types, and in list and tuple both you can accept null values and can accept duplicate values, but list is taken within this closed square parenthesis, whereas tuple is taken within the circular parenthesis, and they are separated by commas, each value separated by comma. And coming to list and tuple, none type is accepted, null values are accepted, but list can be changed, but tuple values once assigned, like t is equal to open parenthesis of a b c, a comma b comma c, and closed. Again, if you want to assign t to some pqr, you cannot do that. T is with abc, so it will be there. Coming to set and dictionary, set is nothing but it's also heterogeneous collection of data types, but whereas list and tuple can accept the duplicates, set cannot accept duplicates, because in set the insertion order is not maintained. In list and tuple, the insertion order, if you put a comma b comma c there, the order output also will get in the same order, but in set, if you it's taken inside these braces, and order is not maintained. If you declare set s is equal to curly braces of a comma b comma c, again if you print s, you may not get the output in a comma b comma c. You can get b comma c comma a, or c comma a comma b, any order. The order is not maintained in set. Coming to dictionary, dictionary is nothing but a key value pair, where key key must be unique, but values can be duplicated or repeated. So these were the differences between these data types, and majorly in Capgemini interview, they are asking the difference between list and tuple. So you can mention those. Thank you for watching.